Progressive is looking for dedicated.
It's Friday, September 6th, 2024.
To join their growing team.
Wake up.
More information, including application, at progressive.com/careers.
A new documentary takes viewers inside the most private of spaces, psychic readings. I'm Ari Shapiro. Look into my eyes. My conversation with the filmmaker Lana Wilson.
The cassette deck doesn't work, but
starting at 3 on
you can open the cassette and take your cassette out, and drop your cassette in, and hit that.
Funding for Think comes from Interabang Books.
Playing the radio, so put it on tape. Hit that. Oh, drat. Okay. All right. Well, it was sitting up here. Let me move it back a bit so it won't fall. All right. There. Just don't fall. And the handle, comes up, recesses into itself like that. So, and while we're at it, the antennas go way up high. All right. And let's see here. I didn't bring a tripod, so I'm handheld. All right, so wait, what was I doing? Power on, right?
Worldview, in that it inspires us to seek out and call out bad behavior by others.
The radio, and that's tape. Okay, this would be tape, and that's that. But now, if I can, well, all right. This will click. It won't do anything. See, it clicked. I just killed the power. Wait. You hear it click? Now you can't see these lights, but they do light up. See, that one lit up. And of course, that's your pause button. Click, click, and then that's stop. Of course, now it won't stay stopped. It'll come back on and want to fast forward, or maybe, I don't know. It's a full logic. It says so right there. Full logic control system. Well, I just don't like these. Anyway, I was able to get the radio to tune, which is my whole issue from before. The shaft is, anyway, I got it lubricated now so it'll rotate and like that. So
how can you not? Out in the rain where we went.
Smooth jazz music. That sounds good, but when it comes to selling your home, you might need a little bit more than some Calgon. Hey, it's Tony Lopez. DFW resident Monica was nervous because she had to move out of town fast. She also needed to get full price for her home for expenses and a new place.
Then we got AM.
No, you're ever going to hear. And yet there is still...
I know we're playing the CD here, so here's the CD. Put it on 6. I like 6. Obviously running on batteries. You can plug it in there if you want, right? And that's where you plug plug it in for that, okay? And I wish the tape deck would work, but it doesn't, so. Anyway, enough of this. I don't want to bore you to death. Wait. That's the radio. It's one loud radio, right? So, and it's one big radio, as you can see. I think I said it was 27 inches, 28 inches wide. I'll sell this for next to nothing. $100 in shipping. It's heavy radio, all right? That's all I know. If you can fix the tape deck, more power to you. But I'm done with it. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Good day. Bye-bye. Gotta go. Fix the JR-911, and it's decentmanforyou2007@gmail.com. Once again, it's decentmanforyou2007@gmail.com. Contact me there. Alright, I did say a price in this video, so $100 in shipping. Is a heavy radio. You can have it. Thanks. Good day. Bye-bye.